Hi guys, this is Kelly from NightPen, and I just wanted to show you how easy it is to use assets and scripts in Unity with the NightPen Utilities. So what I have here is a very simple 2D scene. It's got a panel, and on the panel I've put an image. I've created another panel within there, colored it a little bit differently, and finally I've put a standard Unity UI text control. Now what I want to do is I want to be able to tell the story for this particular sequence over time. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and create just a simple C# script. We'll call it tell story. And Unity goes and creates that. I will drag and drop it to my panel so that the text is now on the panel. And I will go open that up in MonoDevelop. Now, normally I would have to go in and add in a text control variable, make it public or something, or try to do a find object, find component. The problem with that is if the text control or any of the hierarchy is disabled, then the system won't find it, and I end up with these wonderful, horrible, null object not found errors. So I'm going to do none of that. What I'm going to do is come in here, add in the Unity Engine UI, and I'm also going to add in the NightPen Utilities. One of the utilities that NightPen Utilities has in there is this GameObjects class, which is a static class, so I can just use it. Now, the first thing I want to do, since I want to tell this story over time, is I'm going to start up a coroutine, and we'll call that tell my story. And I'll create the method for the coroutine. So I need an IEnumerator, return type, tell my story. And inside here, I need to get access to my little text control, which I called title story text. So text, and for my local variable, I'll just use text, GameObjects dot get component. I want the text component on that game object, and the name of the object is title story text, which is the same as the game object in the inspector. All right. That will automatically, the utilities will automatically give that to me, and even if the component's disabled, it will still get it to me. So the next thing I'm going to do is start off my story by saying, give me the text component, and I want to add in once upon a time, because for some reason all good stories start with once upon a time. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to delay for a little bit and give the user time to read the words once upon a time. So I will wait for, oh, I don't know, let's wait for a second. And then after we do that, we want to change the text to our next statement. So I cut and pasted these 2 lines of code, and I'll change it to, there was a small kingdom with a good king. And we'll give the user a second to read that as well. Now, let me go into run mode and show you, oh, I got an error there. Probably because I put a string into the wait for time. So I'll change that to what it should be. It should be a float, not a string. That's what happens when you talk and type at the same time. And I'll just go into run mode so you can see this. And there was a small kingdom with a good king, all set, ready to go, with just that easy. The NightPen Utilities is available on the Unity Asset Store for $5. It's, a $5 bill, super cheap, but it'll easily save you hundreds and hundreds of hours of programming time. Thank you very much. Bye.